First, wet your hands with clean running water. Next, apply soap and lather well. Third, scrub your hands for at least 20 seconds, including between fingers and under nails. Then, rinse thoroughly under running water. Lastly, dry your hands with a clean towel or air dryer.
We start by preparing the gloves. Slip the hand into the glove. Pick up the other glove with the gloved hand. Slip the other hand into the glove. Adjust the gloves as necessary. To remove gloves, hold the cuff of the glove and roll the glove of the hand using glove-to-glove technique. Insert fingers under the cuff of the glove and the wrist to roll the glove of the hand using skin-to-skin technique. Hold the cuff of the gloves after removal. Dispose the gloves.
First, wear PPE such as gloves. After wearing PPE, turn the mattress. It is to ensure better infection control when cleaning beds. Sanitize the mattress with wet towel. Use the four sides of the towel. Dry the mattress with another towel. After disinfecting the bed, remove PPE.
Remove gloves. After removing the gloves, throw the gloves in the garbage bin. You must throw the gloves into the infection bin. To avoid the spread of microorganisms of germs.